Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll chat about a fiber that can be pretty confusing because it's not fully synthetic or completely natural. It's somewhere in between, which leads to a question we get very often: what exactly is viscose? So in this video, let's explore what it is, how it's made, and of course its sustainability. Viscose is also known as rayon and is a man-made cellulosic fiber. It's made from natural plant material like wood, but it goes through a chemical process to turn into a fabric. It's often called artificial silk, and actually the first commercial viscose fiber was marketed as a cheaper alternative to silk because it feels luxurious and smooth, and depending on the blend and the weight of the fabric, it can boast a fluid drape similar to silk. So how is a viscose fabric made? Well, first, viscose starts with cellulose, which is a natural substance in plant fibers. The raw material, like wood or bamboo, is treated with chemicals to break down the cellulose. It turns into a pulpy, viscous substance, which is then spun into threads. The threads are made hard, washed, and processed into fibers that can be made into a fabric. Though viscose is made from natural sources, the chemicals used in production make it different from fabrics like cotton or linen, which don't require chemical processing. So is viscose fabric sustainable? Since it's made from trees and bamboo, it seems like it could be eco-friendly, but the production process uses chemicals which can harm the environment if not handled properly. Also, it takes a lot of water, which can affect local ecosystems. Plus, sourcing wood for viscose can contribute to deforestation if it isn't done sustainably. But there are more sustainable types of viscose. For example, lyocell, and especially the famous Tencel lyocell made by a company called Lenzing, is produced in a closed-loop system, which recycles chemicals and water, so that means that it reduces waste. It's definitely a more eco-friendly option than traditional viscose. Another option is EcoVero, which is also a branded type of viscose from Lenzing, which uses less water and produces fewer harmful emissions. Both Tencel and EcoVero fibers are certified as biodegradable and compostable. And it's also important to note that they are derived from wood carefully sourced from controlled or certified origin, meeting FSC or PEFC standards. So basically, when you see certifications like FSC on a viscose fabric, that means that wood used for the production comes from responsibly managed forests. At Core Fabrics, we focus on sourcing these types of viscose fabrics. There are a lot of exciting alternatives to traditional viscose that are currently being developed and not accessible quite yet to our market. For example, fibers like circulose, which is crafted from cellulose derived from textile waste. And there's also another one called orange fiber, which is a version of Tencel lyocell made from cellulose sourced from waste orange peel. So that's just a glimpse into the future of sustainable textiles. It all sounds pretty cool, and we hope to see more and more eco-friendly options becoming available in the coming years. For now, let's talk about the actual substrate, because viscose comes in many forms and weights. First off, let's talk about viscose challis. It's soft and lightweight. It's great for dresses and blouses. Then you have viscose crepe. Slightly textured, perfect for blouses and skirts. The textured surface also makes it easier to sew. There's also viscose satin, which is smooth and shiny, ideal for evening wear. You have also viscose twill with a diagonal weave, often used for pants, dresses, and jackets. It can also be blended with fibers like cotton or linen to enhance softness or breathability. One of our favorites is our textured viscose linen, which is a perfect mid-weight fabric with a gently textured weave, a cozy soft hand, and excellent drape, combining the best qualities of viscose and linen. We're also big fans of our organic cotton and Tencel knit, which is a super soft, medium weight stretch jersey. It offers incredible comfort and durability, made from sustainable organic cotton and closed-loop tensile fibers. And that's it. We hope this answers some of your questions about viscose fabrics, how they are made, and how to prioritize eco-friendly options. As always, feel free to drop any questions in the comments. If you enjoyed this kind of content, show us some love by liking this video or subscribing to our channel. And until next time, happy sewing!